Hope you're all doing alright. Hopefully I'm in focus, probably won't be. I hope you enjoyed the video with the stars last night. It was pretty fun. It's freezing cold, but hopefully it's sort of inspired a few of you to get the cameras out. I know so many people that have bought like proper cameras and never taken it out of auto mode, and you know, never explored the capabilities of what they can really do. If you use it on auto, you might as well just use your phone, to be honest. I've just come for a little wander across the field, get away from camp for a minute. Not that there's anything wrong with camp, it's just nice to have a change of scene every now and again. Finding it a bit tricky to keep these videos going at the minute, if I'm honest. Fell into a bit of a rut. I think it's because I've not got many ideas for building stuff or whatever at the minute. Like the first few weeks were just building something every day or doing something, but now it's calmed down a bit. And yeah, just gone a little bit flat the past few days, but you know, I suppose that's how it's going to be, and I imagine that's how it is for everyone, so I'm not going to whinge about it. It's definitely a strange time to be alive, eh? But I sort of made a pact with myself with these videos. I decided I'd do a month, see how I got on, loved it, and then I thought, well, why don't I just do a year of daily videos? So it's like a, you know, a documentary almost of, not just for me personally so I can look back on, but somebody's life on the road, although we're not really on the road at the minute, but we kind of are, you know, we're still in the vans. The fact that we're in a field don't really make much difference. But yeah, I wanted it to be like a, you know, a whole year, 365 episodes of my experience doing this. So I'm still going to continue to do the videos, even if some days it is literally just me sitting down having a chat, because you know, not a great deal else going on right now. I've been bloody playing my PlayStation most of the day, just chilling. I will try and do some more photography stuff though, because that does excite me. Maybe we can throw the macro lens on, do a bit of exploring around this field, see what we can find. That might be a good idea. Probably do that tomorrow. I said that I was going to nip to my mum's probably end of next week, maybe the start of the following week, I don't know, because I'm going to order a load of crap off Amazon, try and get some things that I can do on my van as well, just more, you know, things to, I'm already buying some lights to go outside, and that should be pretty cool. Getting some like RGB strip lights to go on the door side that I can control with my phone. So gonna have to put them in. But yeah, just little bits, you know, just to keep my mind active, because it's when I slow down and come to a stop that my brain just shits its pants and just thinking about all sorts, and then I just seize up. I think that is the only way for anybody to get through this lot, is to just stay busy, so you know, sort of forget about everything. Don't get me wrong, like, don't feel sorry for me or anything, like, no. I'm not saying that I'm in a bad place, it's just a bit flat, that's all. So I've not been very inspired to turn the camera on the past couple of days, but I'm sure it'll come back. I just need to do something different. Quite looking forward to making a bit of a golf course up here. I mean, it's going to be horrific to play on this, but don't matter, make it work. Probably have to tee up every flipping shot, but it's just something different to do, isn't it? Keeping different things going on every day. Bloody spider just ran down my shorts. Gonna have to walk and talk a bit because I don't want bugs crawling up my arse crack. But yeah, I mean, I hope that everybody is in a place where they can be comfortable. Whatever that means to you personally, I don't know. But I hope that, you know, no one's feeling lost or unwanted. But yeah, I think just going to leave it as a quick update for today. I still need to make yesterday's video, not done that yet. Yeah, let's keep it short. I may film a bit of camp B-roll for you to some music or something, I don't know. Yeah, I'm just not really feeling the camera that much at the minute, to be fair. It will come back, don't worry, it will come back. Sort of go like this. Some days I'm top of the world, some days I just can't be arsed. But, you know, I guess that's why doing a daily documentary is quite a powerful thing, because you see everything. You know, you see the ups, the downs. There's a lot. I mean, you lot know that I don't sugarcoat things, so I'll just be honest. Like, not feeling it today, so that's it. Just gonna chill out, I think, for the rest of the day. So make this next video, and I don't know. Right, yeah, I'm gonna just sign off it there, folks. I know it's not a particularly interesting video, but you know, it is what it is, eh? Alright, see you tomorrow. Catch you in a bit.